Are you wearing a "Make America Great Again" hat, nigga? What the fuck?
Rage, I have a question.
Talk to me, my boy. What's up, group leader?
Would you let me fly you out tomorrow to be a part of my team? Full cost on me, full hotel, B&B, penthouse in downtown Atlanta, so you have somewhere nice to sleep. But would you let that happen?
What happened? Wait. Your team for what?
For tomorrow. I need one more person. I think you're the perfect person.
Okay, this is interesting. Okay. Who's on your team, Davis?
I got Deadrian.
Oh no.
I got me. Why you say, oh no?
Oh no. You got no heavy hitters, do you?
Rage, you could be my heavy hitter. You could be my heavy hitter.
Oh no. Okay. Who's on Kai's team?
Kai don't got a team.
He's Dolo?
He's Dolo.
Who's on Phantom's team?
Got about 2 or 3 of his IRLs with him. But they not heavy hitters, though, bro. They're not heavy hitters.
Is Duke gonna be home?
Duke's home, but the D-block steppers are not here. He's Dolo. Now, if you agree to this, you're going to have to fly in first thing tomorrow morning.
Chat, run a poll.
No, poll is crazy.
Chat,
Talk to me.
Wait, who was that? Who just said that?
That's me.
Techo. You see we got the rocket launcher.
What the fuck is that?
I have a fucking rocket launcher.
Yo, we got a rocket launcher in this bitch.
Yo, it's up, nigga. You can get back to me if you need to, but I'm ready. Tomorrow.
Oh my god. That sounds... Yo, chat. Are we on the mission, bro? That's a mission of death, chat. Okay? So what's our objective? Just to win? To come out alive? To come out on top?
No, the mission is to earn respect, Rage. After this day, niggas gonna know not to fuck with either one of us, my nigga. That's it.
Okay. Let me get back to you.
Alright.
Say no more. What the fuck? I was not expecting that.